back up, is it good?
Yeah. Actually, oh, okay.
Yep.
Yep. And that is how you pick up a fallen motorcycle with the Upstart jack. Hello, I'm Derek Krimble, and this is
Jason Ellsworth.
And we developed the motorcycle Upstart jack.
Today is January 10th, 2016, and we're going to demonstrate its use. So we're going to just put this bike down now to demonstrate the jack lifting the bike back up again. So, I mean, you will be able to see here it takes two relatively strong, healthy men to do this. So, putting the bike back up again, particularly
just like that. Now the jack is raised in position. This pin goes in all the way through, but this pin now becomes the fulcrum. Okay, so we're now going to crank the jack up and lift the motorcycle. Okay, so that's the angle that you get with the Upstart jack. Okay, now that is the hardest part of raising the motorcycle by yourself. If you can get it to this point by yourself, this has taken an enormous amount of effort because this bike is so heavy. And again, typical of these style of motorcycles. So from this point, you go from a lift of the dead weight of the motorcycle essentially to just a push. But you can see how this all worked as a fulcrum there, and again as a fulcrum at the base, because the back is going to tip away like this, and you need that so that the lead screw doesn't go and interfere with the motorcycle. Okay, Jason, if you can just straighten the wheel out and give it a push. And there it is, easy peasy. Awesome. The first thing you see here is an adapter. This will fit on the motorcycle, on a permanent part of the motorcycle. And then it will be held with a 20mm bolt that doesn't require any tools. It's finger tight is good enough. Okay, the bike's on its side. This is as simple as, even with one hand, locating it, and this thread goes in finger tight. Now, this isn't going anywhere. This is the adapter here. One bolt holds it in. This pin slides through this eyelet anchor here. No tools required. Big, chunky, heavy bolt with coarse thread. means finger tight is all you need. This here has got a dowel that fits into this hole here so that the jack can't twist like this while it's taking the weight. A 20mm screw, just like that, means that you don't need any tools. And then this 12mm pin will join the two of them as a fulcrum. It comes apart so easily. One pin takes it out. This system consists of this silver bracket. This is all thread that goes all the way through to the other side, and it holds both of these brackets on either side. There's other mounting points here and here and here that spread the weight out. So we have a center weight of the bike here plus a high center so that the jack isn't trying to lift the whole bike. Same basic assembly on the other side. Several mounting points here, here, and here. The foot has been designed with a secondary kind of a place for the weight of the bike to land on. When this tips away a little bit, this is braced with a couple of hinged stop. The base has been modified with this foot. As the arc of the motorcycle comes up, this fulcrum needs more range. So what it ends up happening is tipping the base here, away from the motorcycle. We didn't want a situation where if the bike's weight shifted, this could just slip and hyper sort of rotate like that. So we're giving it a heavy gauge quarter plate steel foot to land on as a safety brace. Go ahead, lift it up. Jay?
Yep. As easy as that.
Sweet. Thanks, Jay.